Yeah, I'm filming now. Oh, don't.
This is the.
Honey, be careful, please.
Home mechanics.
Honey, please don't.
Man cave
Come
man.
here.
Getting fixed up to do more videos for you.
Good luck. Alright. Is enough?
Huh?
That's it?
Okay, unless you want to film it taking it out.
Okay. You're gonna. She's.
Let's go take it out now.
And it is frustrating to watch as well.
Well, you just watch it.
Going a long trip, it's only just started.
That's when I was.
We'll be landing.
Dude, there's the machine here.
He was. Yeah.
That's probably our lucky.
Machine.
Yeah.
They were just
Fix
Well,
machine.
well, yeah, 2.5 years ago, they were 16, 18.
And there's.
Computerized man.
Alright?
Yeah. I feel like Steve Austin, the $1 Million Man.
Sit.
Only people my age remember Steve Austin, the $1 Million Man. Do you remember that TV show?
What are you talking about?
Steve Austin, the $1 Million Man. First robotic man with all the computers inside.
No, I don't. I'm not gonna lie.
We can fix him. I used to love it as a kid.
Sorry.
Bye.
Tape.
That's at least my problem. They've just finished injecting all the anoids. Now
Not saying.
I'll heal as I break down.
Alright, you finished?
Alright, if that oozes, just
Okay.
pop some pressure on there, okay?
Yeah,
Done,
no
honey?
problem.
Done.
Okay, over and out. Like and subscribe. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile.
What?
Mark Kim? Wow, what a night. Well, it seems they put more than just wires in. To get the wires in, again, they had to cut my spinal cord and chomp away at the bones. Pain has been incredible. I mean, screaming and crying all night. The painkillers weren't sufficient. Probably efficient for the wires, but not for the cutting of the bones to get the wires through. I'll be about 6 months to fully recover and be back. For all these wires in my back to be used into the muscle and to anchor it into place so I can do things without them moving around. And I'll be walking around with my mobile phone thingy to adjust the currency depending on my pain level. Please don't forget about my channel. I promise I will be back. I'm trying to recover as quick as I can. So please like and subscribe. I still have a ton load of parts to go in. I still have a shed to build. And I am going to do it. I am Steve Austin. God dang. Anyway, just thought to update you on how I'm going, and the reason why no clips have been loaded for a while. I've had a few emails asking where I am. Well, this is where I am. As you see, I lost a bit of weight, but I'm going to get there. I'm going to recover. I'm going to be healthy again. I'm going to keep fighting. So please support my channel and hang in there, please. I guarantee you will enjoy it. Once I get healthy again and the shed is built, I'll show you how to weld bumpers and do anything on a Jeep you want to do on a Jeep that is basically legal here in this country, because I still want to drive it on the road. Unless one day it's going to be a tradable Jeep and it's just going to be an absolute beach and an off-road blasting machine. I don't know yet. I don't know if my back will ever be able to handle that. So we shall see. But please, don't give up on me yet. I'll be back. Alright? So to all you Jeepers out there, keep Jeeping, have fun, and keep thinking of a new name that includes Jeep, like Home Mechanics Jeep Cave or something like that. Still waiting for some really good names for my channel that include the name Jeep, because I'm now dedicated to Jeep. So here we go. I'm off now. I'm absolutely utterly exhausted. It's medication time, so I'll catch you guys later. And I love your feedback, and I will keep answering. I haven't been around for a month, but I will keep answering your questions as long as you keep asking them. I guarantee that. It's very important to me, and I enjoy answering your questions. Yeah, if I can in any way help with answers, I'm more than I have plenty time to do so. So anyway, I'll catch you guys later, and be good.